that it? Our restaurant is called Crooked Spoon. So let's see how crooked this spoon is. Is that it? Yeah, that's it, the Crooked Spoon.
Yeah, just do it, yeah.
Look at the menu.
No, give me some drink.
Oh, the pop. Oh, we scanned, original scan. Stickers, I'm keeping it in there. And I have a sticker. And I'm wearing my hat. What's this? I'm gonna be not scanned anymore. But it's yours.
Put it on your forehead first. Like that.
Inside.
Waiting for our
Even a cheese.
Yeah, eat now.
What is this one?
Not the way actual store pay. Precious one has store pay. We have red wine.
But they're not finished yet. They're not finished yet.
Where are you going? Huh?
Wow. We are here now. But we need to go out where the Christmas tree is. Okay, right mga friendships, I'm going to give you a toilet, a room tour. I'm going to start with our toilet. So, this, I'll show you like this. So, this is the door, my friendships. This is the door, right? And we open. So, this is the door. Look at the mirror. Diba mga friendships? Heavy, heavy metal. Yung sabon. Turtle. And the door mga friendships. For the boys, they're over the moon. This is heaven for them. For me, nga. Look at that mga friendship. Oh my gosh. Yes. It looks like this mga friendships here. This is our toilet. O diba mga friendships? Nga.
We sing.
Cash is playing it. I want him to play.
And here, it's a mess ng mga friendships. This is the inside room. Yung mga lights, mga friendships, mga heavy metal. It looks like we have a nice view outside, mga friendships. I'm going to show you tomorrow morning. So yes. Yes, a happy birthday. And he is busy now. Busy na siya mga friendships. Look at that mga friendships, diba?
Wait, I just made a discovery.
They love this. The boys love this. Ako naman,
We're playing a
Nga.
game, and I love the game. Turn into a girl.
cute headache. Look at that. Oh, mga
It
friendships.
even turns the switch on.
Yes, look po. These are the switch.
Does nothing. Just for fun. Oh.
Oh, look, and they love their beds. Don't scratch, please.
Cash is playing Lego Movie. He's
And they are not
controlling.
playing, look, oh.
You have to watch this.
Oh my God.
He's a pro now, and he just
You
started.
even have a. Is this the like the one you have at home?
No, it's an Xbox.
This is oh my God, I have an Xbox. Shh, don't
We
scratch,
own one
please.
because we're rich. We own one on a rocket. Okay, here you go.
Oh my God.
Good job, boys. I want to play with the switches.
So don't break it though.
Wait, we have a hoodie. light it because you're inside the non-smoking room. You might set the alarm. So I just put these two candles. Maybe I can light these two candles quickly just for him to glow. So ready? Give him this Dad, come on na. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5.
you choose which one.
All of it. You open that side, I open this side. What is it? What is it? You can do the rest. I need to close my